Hey guys, I'm currently here at SM Seaside City for Miss Universe meet and greet session at UNIQLO. Special. So Chris. Ramsey. Resident rapper. And Chris. Resident rapper. Resident rapper. What? What's the one mo? Resident agad. Hi, Flip. Hello. Hey guys, we are here at UNIQLO SM Seaside City in Cebu, and we are waiting for the Miss Universe 2017 candidates. Quite exciting, and it's full house. Yeah. The crowd is getting crazy. Crazy! What can you say? They're finally here.
Finally na sila. I'm excited to meet the candidates. Hopefully na akong favorite.
Hey Doy. Hello.
All securing Naomi. Star of the day.
Start there. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
At last, we are pasulod. Inside and pasulod nami, and yeah.
The crowd is wild.
The crowd is wild.
Down, down. Miss Bahamas. And now presenting Miss Czech Republic. Presenting Miss Georgia. And now let me call on Miss India. Come on down, Miss Indonesia. Woo! Let me now call on Miss Malaysia. And now presenting Miss Namibia. And let me present to you Miss Romania. Joining our lovely group is Miss Singapore. And now let's call on Miss Slovak Republic. And last but not the least, let's call on Miss Venezuela. Okay, thank you ladies. And now to give...
Good day. My name is Katsumi Kuboda. I'm the CEO of the Facility in Philippines. I want to welcome everybody. We make lifewear. UNIQLO is made for everyone, everywhere. So this is the perfect that we have such a wonderful visitors from different parts of the world. So I am very much welcoming the visit from Miss Universe. Thank you very much for visiting today. I just want to make it short. I want to mention about what UNIQLO is, what we do. We do lifewear. So we create clothing based on the Japanese value of simplicity, quality, and longevity. We want to cater such nice, truly great clothing for everybody in the world in any occasion of the life. And we keep evolving as life keeps changing. So please enjoy this visit. This is one of the way to prove how UNIQLO is universal, how UNIQLO is wonderfully fit for anybody, anywhere in the world. Thank you for visiting today and enjoy the time in my store. Thank you very much.
Thank you to both sides. So now we are now
Bye! Balik, Alim! Oh. Mana, that's it. Bye guys. Thank you. Thank you, UNIQLO Philippines. Hi!
Hi! Me, Isa! Hello! Hi!
Right.
Nice to meet you! Ako ang representative for the Philippines. Miss UNIQLO. Little Miss! Little Miss! Little Miss! Harap sa likod.